play this in the club. That's my brother, that's my dog, that's my sister, that's my girl. Yeah, they ain't gon' play this in the club. That's my brother, that's my dog, that's my sister, that's my girl. Hey, that's my brother, that's my dog, that's my sister, that's my girl. It's our world, can we give like we can, yeah. That's my brother, that's my dog, that's my sister, that's my girl. It's our world, can we live like we can, yeah. That's my brother, that's my dog, that's my sister, that's my girl. It's our world, can we give like we can, yeah. That's my brother, that's my dog, that's my sister, that's my girl. It's our world, can we live like we can, yeah. I see you and me as opportunities. Burn that eulogy, let's home the company. Let's live successful, highest cycle of the ancestral. If your startup's like a grand, whatever. Bottom line is we land better.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley, aka Pretty Hippie, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. And in this video, I'm just gonna be talking about my locks because they are 19 months. Y'all, I'm finna be hitting the 2-year mark in just a little bit, and I'm very excited about it. Now, I know I probably say this in every single lock update, but y'all know, here it goes. Say it with me. Not much has changed, but I am seeing a lot of growth here. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but my locks are like literally sitting on my back. I think I'm officially collarbone length now. So yeah, and I do have a lot of shrinkage going on right now because I have not retwisted my hair in a while. Like, I've been super busy with my business and I have just not found the time to retwist. Between making jewelry and shipping packages out, like, it's a never-ending process. So like, finding time to retwist my hair these days has been a little shaky, but I'm definitely probably gonna make time for it next week, I think. I don't know. I'll just have to see how the week goes because I said I was going to retwist my hair this week, but it's already Thursday and I haven't retwisted, so I highly doubt that I'll be able to get it retwisted because I have more work to do this weekend. So it's okay. I love being busy. I love staying busy. So I'm not complaining. But anyway, so we're going to get into the changes I've been noticing with my locks. And like I said, not much has changed, only the growth. My locks are just growing. And I think I'm at a point now where I'm not really paying that much attention to my hair every day. Like, as opposed to when I first started my locks, I would be in the mirror like every minute, like, ooh, what's changing? Like, is my hair growing? Is it like blah, blah, blah? Like, what's going on with my hair? Like, I'm not like that anymore. Like, when I go in the bathroom, I take a shower, I wet my hair, I put my oil in my hair, and I'm done. Like, I don't even really be setting my hair for, like, I still take really good care of it. It's just not an obsession anymore. I think I've gotten used to the fact that I have locks now, and you know, I'm just getting used to them, not so overly thinking them, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know. But anyway, I'm just going with the flow. It makes my life a lot easier. Like, I'm not stressed and obsessed, and I'm just kind of letting them do their thing. And they're growing beautifully, I might say. I love the way that my locks have turned out. I'm very pleased with my set. Now, as far as the products that I'm using, guys, I am so excited to share this with you all. Like, I did a poll on Instagram asking my followers if, you know, you wanted me to share my mixture with you guys, like how I keep my locks so moisturized, because I get so many questions asking, how do I keep my locks moisturized? Well, I use a variety of oils and rose water that keep my locks hydrated. Like, I researched the oils and I know what oils are for moisturizing. I know what oils are for sealing. I know what oils are for itchy scalp. So, dun, 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 I have a product coming out for you guys, and I'm really excited to share. This is my first time like announcing it, but I've already ordered all my supplies and I'm getting labels done, so that product will be available to you guys very soon, probably sooner than you think. Okay, because I've been really working. Like, and another major change in my life is I had to let my part-time job go. because it was just really holding me back from doing all the things that I know I should be doing, like as far as the time. I just couldn't really fully devote myself to my business. And I know some may think, oh, it's just a part-time job, but the hours that I had to work were just kind of like right in the middle of when people do things or when stuff needs to be done, if that makes sense. So I kind of had to just let it go. Like I was holding on to it out of fear of not being able to provide for my son, that security. You know, you get that check every 2 weeks, you know how much you're going to make. As far as when you start working your own business, you don't know if you're going to get paid 1 week, and another week you may get paid, you know, a lot of money. But it's just, I don't know, I was just really holding on to it out of fear. And when I tell y'all, as soon as I put my 2 weeks in, I got a flood of orders. Okay, a flood of orders. And then right after, I worked an event where I made so much money, like I almost like just broke down, like, because it was so overwhelming. Like when you let go of fear, what manifest, like you don't know, fear holds you back. Fear stops things from happening. And it's like the moment I say, you know what, I'm gonna go forth and I'm gonna do what I need to do for my family, y'all, I have been consistent ever since, like with orders from my business. And it's like, I cannot be more grateful to be in this situation. I express my gratitude daily. I go outside and do my meditations and I just vibe, and I can work from home. It's amazing. And I am at the beginning of my journey. So I am excited to see how this plays out. You know, my main goal is to open up a shop, and I'm really believing that that will happen for me one day. You know, opening up a metaphysical, holistic, natural shop where, you know, we have Reiki, yoni steams, and massages, and just all of that's going on in the shop. And we have group meditations, and we sell crystals, we sell sage, cloves, herbs, you know, that type of store. I know y'all have a store like that somewhere where you're from. But anyway, I can go on and on about this shop, but I'm gonna keep going until I manifest it. Okay, and I know I got off track. However, I just had to share that with you guys because I had not been on YouTube in a while. But now that I left my job, I can be more consistent with YouTube as well. So yeah, a lot of great things are happening, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. It's _AshleyLauren_. And I'll have the products for you guys soon. For those of you who keep asking me, what do I use in my hair? Because my hair is always so moisturized and luscious. It is because I know how to do it. You know what I'm saying? I do my thing, you know, with the oils or whatever. So I can't wait. I'm so excited. But anyway, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Just a really short video. And I'm just so thankful for you all. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel. Thanks to everyone who likes, comments, and shares my videos. You are greatly appreciated. And if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, world peace. Bye, guys.